You can create water effect inside the shader graph. You need this organic noise called Voronoi, and we can tweak it to be our waves if we change the angle offset over time. Interesting. However, it is too systematic. Let's distort it a bit with some noise. Radial shear gives the more realistic waves, and the gradient noise gives the cartoonish effects. We will see at the end of the video the result of both. To change the color of each rebel, we multiply with the new color. However, to change the water color itself, we add rather than multiplying, because the base color is 0, aka black. It's quite watery like now, but there is no contrast between rebels and the base water color. Use the power function to differentiate the rebels more. Water needs to move, and I will use the same noise for vertex movement to make it synchronized with the shape. We will split each axis of the vertex position because we will change the Y only. Add the noise value for the Y and reunion the axes again to pass it to the vertex position. Create a new material with our shader, attach it to the surface, and boom! Here is with the gradient noise, and here is with the radial shear. Follow me for more Unity content.